Hello, fellow traders. VIX was a hit. Uh, Natural gas was a hit, though I think it's gonna bounce a bit to the downside. Let's see if a third trade based on Socrates tool gonna be a hit or a miss. Uranium, UAC, touched the reversal yesterday. There's a turning point. Failed to take it out. Today is a panic cycle. Then just see the gap of 20 something percent. Again, it's this tool that makes it so much easier. Doesn't mean you're not gonna make the losses. Just be prepared for them. So if, for example, I took a trade yesterday, but today turns back and closes below this, takes the reversals, then I'm gonna be out. So, but as you can see, the energy is very low, and the stochastics are turning up. So just keep on keeping on until you figure it out.